Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about measure command. Measure command is very similar with the divide command, but only difference is in divide command we are just giving the number of segment, but in measure command we will just give the length of the segment. Okay, let's see how to do this. I will go into the draw panel, okay, and I will click on this drop down arrow, and you can see this is the measure command. Okay, this is the icon for measure command. I will just click on this. Now this command will be activated. Now it is asking about select object to measure. Okay, so I want to just measure this object. Now what it is asking about right now, specify length of the segment. Now what we have to do here is we have to just specify the length of the segment, not numbers. Okay, so for example I need a 2.5 length of segment. Okay, 2.5 unit. Okay, I will hit enter. Now you can see here it is just dividing the object by length. So the segment length from here to here will be what, 2.5, then 2.5, and then 2.5. Let measure this. Okay, I will just activate this command. Okay, I will start from here on this position, okay, till here. Now this is 2.5. okay, and I will go into the annotate to activate a continuous dimension. So I will apply this one to this one to this and this. Okay, so that is the difference between divide and measure command. Let's just apply the measure command this line. Okay, so for that I will go into the home tab. I will activate measure command from here. Okay, or you can go into the draw panel from points. You can just activate measure. Okay, this is the option. Okay, I will select the object. Now it is asking about specify the length of the segment. So I need for now is 3 unit of length. I will hit enter. Now you can see this line is divided into 4 segments, 1, 2, 3 and 4, but this segment is not like 3 unit. For example, I just want to measure this one. Okay, from here to here, that is 3 unit. I will go into the annotate to continue. Okay, and this one, and now this one. Now what it is, this is for 2 unit. Okay, now what measure command did here is it just divide this line into 3 unit from this point to this point, this point to this point, and this point to this point, and this is the remaining part. Okay, this was not the total of 3 units, so it is just remaining part. Okay, so hope you understand this one. Again I will just activate this one. Okay, for example I will go into the draw panel. I will activate this one. Now instead of select from this point, I will select from this point. Okay, from right hand side you can see the difference. Okay, I will select from this point. Okay, now it is asking about the length of the segment, so I will give 3 of length. Okay, then I will hit enter. Now what it does here is it just start from this side, from right side. Okay, and this is the remaining part on the left side. So this is the method that how we can just apply the measure command, and this is the difference between measure command and divide command. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.